Hello. It's very hot weather today. But I'm wearing sweat pants. I will get my tomatoes back there. They are, they're not very much. They're not very much fruit. Ay, nako. Chocolate is drop the. Oh, so hot. See the tomatoes back there. Need to remove some kind of grass in here. So much grass. I need to hurry because I'm cooking. Okay. I need to check back there too because I know they have a fruits back there. But this one is big. I don't know. I cannot see back that way. They have fruits or not. Ay, I will become itchy with this. We don't see the fruits. I thought they have fruits back here. Okay. Wait. This one. Oh, very ripe. Oh, there's cucumber. Oh no, the cucumber is... The fruits is inside the... Stop, I need to cut that. Oh, there's fruits in here. See that? Look at... That's a huge cucumber, but the problem is... It's inside. I need to... It's kinda... Oh no. It will be cut this. The halfway. It's become salad already. Ay. Oh. Where's the... Okay. There. Because it's hard to get it if it's the inside. See, that kind of cucumber is... The skin is... Hey, yan. Aray ko. It will become itchy. We'll be biting. We'll check the fruits with this. Did not ripe yet. Or I think the other ripe is the birds eat it. They have so many birds, huh? Oh, it's so hot, I need to go inside. It's turned to become salad right away. Oh, super hot. Let's go choke. Oh. need to spray a little bit the squash. Because I stick in there and then the bugs will smell at me in there. Okay. Did not spray very good. Come itchy. Come itchy. Do you see how hot is it today? It dead my my lettuce. It become die. Hey. I don't want the bugs will be stick on me. And then my stuff has a rubber, so it cannot go inside the bag. I hope the bag did not hit me, because there's a small flies that it will biting. I will go outside. Oh, bye na. No people in this earth.